是一个很短的短片，教你们怎样去 troubleshoot Myvi 前面发出的哒哒哒哒的那个声响。大家也不用担心，如果你不会华语的话，我会用简单的英文去教你怎样去 troubleshoot， 然后还备有中英文的那个字幕，让你了解。请继续看下去吧。Basically, we check whether the caliper pin of brake got problem or not. You can knock the tire like this. Seems like no any noise coming out. Then second one will be the absorber mounting. One over here and the another one over there. So if you jack up the car and the absorber mounting spoil, you can see there is a free moving up and down for this absorber mounting. For Myvi type, the original will be rubber type, but this one I just changed to Alza bearing type, so we can't really spot any motion up and down. And I just changed it, so I assume that they are still in good condition.如果你还想知道更多汽车的资讯的话，请按 Like 跟 Subscribe 我的 Channel。再见。